So now we just scroll down and we want to select the tool that we want to use for the job. So you've got a tool list here of all different ones. We've got a 1/4 inch 6mm straight cutter, so we're going to select that now, which is already in the list. And in here we've got the tool data, which can be changed depending on your cutters. So we've got our diameter, our step down. Step down basically means each cut, it's going to only go 3mm deep at a time, and then so if our finishing depth was say 8mm, it would take 3 cuts to do that. Then over here we've got our units, which we obviously want millimeters, and our feed rates, which we need to change to millimeters per minute. That's the feed that the machine will be running in. We can also change down here our spindle speed, which depending on your cutters, what your material you're using and all that, it varies. It's basically trial and error. So we're running at 18,000 RPM at a feed rate of 4 meters a minute for our X and Y, and our plunge rate coming down is 3 meters a minute. And then you can change that experiment depending on what you're doing, cutters, tooling, material, and so on. So once we've selected our tool, we then come down the bottom here and we can add ramping moves. So basically what that does is when the machine cuts, rather than plunging straight down, it slowly zigzags into the material to avoid damage to the cutter. Depending on your cutter, some cutters will be able to plunge straight down, but if you're just using a standard straight cutter, then you want to do your ramping. It just reduces damaging the tip of the cutter. You can change a few other settings and stuff on there, but we don't need to do anything from that.